Alright, picture this. You pull up to a four-way stop and suddenly everybody stops at the same time. Who goes first? You? Them? Nobody moves and it's awkward. Right-of-way might not sound exciting, but it's one of the biggest things that keeps traffic flowing and prevents crashes. Whether you're at a stop sign, in a roundabout, or merging into another lane, knowing who goes when can make the difference between smooth driving and total chaos. Let's break it down, because mastering right-of-way is what separates confident drivers from confused ones. Two drivers approach a four-way stop, both planning to go straight. The white car arrives first and comes to a complete stop first. That means the white car has the right-of-way. The blue car must yield to the white car. Blue needs to wait just long enough for white to clear their path of travel, then it can go. You don't have to wait for the first car to clear the entire intersection, only the space you'll be driving through. Remember, at an all-way stop, the driver who stops first has the right-of-way. Now let's look at what happens when both drivers arrive at a four-way stop at the exact same time, and both plan to go straight. In this case, the blue car on the right has the right-of-way. The white car on the left must yield and wait for the blue car to clear their path before going. A good way to remember this rule is right-of-way. The car on the right has the right-of-way. It's a simple rule and helps keep traffic moving safely and predictably. Here's another common one. Two drivers approach a four-way stop at the same time, facing each other. The white car plans to go straight while the blue car wants to turn left. Just like at a normal green light, the driver going straight has the right-of-way. The left-turning driver, in this case the blue car, must yield until the white car has cleared their path. Once it's safe, the blue car can complete their turn. Now let's see what happens when three cars arrive at a four-way stop at the same time. The silver car is on the far left, the white car is in the middle, and the blue car is on the far right, and they all want to go straight. Here's how it works. The silver car must yield to the white car because the white car is to its right. The white car must yield to the blue car because the blue car is to its right. That means the blue car goes first, followed by the white car, and then the silver car. It's a simple chain reaction. Always yield to the driver on your right, and traffic will flow smoothly and safely through the intersection. In the real world, not everyone follows these right-of-way rules perfectly. Even if you technically have the right-of-way, another driver might just start moving first. When that happens, you must yield, because by law, drivers are required to yield to avoid a crash. You must yield to any driver who is already in the intersection. These situations are common for new drivers who often hesitate a little longer at stop signs. Another intersection you will frequently be at is a two-way stop intersection. A two-way stop is when only one road has stop signs. Drivers on that road must yield to all cross traffic that does not stop. When it's clear, move forward safely, but always check both directions. Remember, if you're the one with the stop sign, you're the one who must yield to the cross traffic, because they will not stop. Next, we have roundabouts. Roundabouts might look confusing at first, but the rule is actually really simple. Drivers who are already inside the roundabout have the right-of-way. If you're approaching and want to enter, you must yield to the traffic already circulating. Wait for a safe gap, then merge smoothly into the flow. Roundabouts are designed to keep traffic moving, so once you're in, keep going even as you reach your exit. Maintain your speed, signal as you exit, and never stop inside the circle unless absolutely necessary. Remember, in a roundabout, the cars inside rule the circle. Alright, our last one. When you change lanes or merge, you must yield to the drivers already in the lane you want to move into. That lane belongs to them until it's safe for you to enter. You are required by law to make sure you don't impede another driver's path of travel. That means checking your mirrors, looking over your shoulder, and waiting for a large enough gap before merging. If you have to make another driver slow down, speed up, or swerve, your merge wasn't safe. Always remember, when you're the one moving over, you're the one who must yield. Right-of-way isn't about winning or being first. It's about keeping traffic safe and predictable. Whether you're at a four-way stop, a two-way stop, a roundabout, or merging onto the road, the rules all come down to one thing: know when to go and when to wait. Every smart driver understands that safety always comes before speed or pride. So stay alert, stay patient, and drive with confidence, because knowing the right of way means driving the right way.